Most New Zealand visa rejection for conference happen for one reason. The story doesn't make sense. If you apply for a visa before you truly understand your purpose of travel, you are setting yourself up for it. No. Today, I'm showing you the exact 10-step process to secure a New Zealand visitor visa for conference in 2026. From finding a real event to proving you will actually come back home. Step 1 and 2, finding and verifying. First, stop looking in WhatsApp groups. Go to Google and search New Zealand Conference 2026 plus your specific field, like tech or public health. But before you pay a single dollar, verify, is there a physical venue listed? Does the organizer have a professional history? If you are a nurse applying for a blockchain conference with no clear, it looks suspicious. Your event must match your career path. Register with your passport name and keep your receipt. Register with your passport name and keep your receipt. It's a core piece of evidence. Now, know your route. Most African and Asian passport holders need a visitor visa before they fly. If you are from a visa waiver country, you will need only an NZeTA. Always double check your specific country on the official Immigration New Zealand sites. This is where most people fail. The official isn't just looking at your invitation, they are looking for your home ties. You need your evidence bucket, employment letter, leave approval, or business registrations, depending on the category you fall into. Then use your cover letter to tie it all together. Don't be a robot. Say, I am attending this conference to grow my skill in field and I will return on date to continue my work at company. This tells the officer you have a life to get back to. Your bank statement should look natural. Sudden large deposits a week before applying are red flags. Show you have enough for flights, hotels, and daily life. Most importantly, prove stability, whether it's family responsibilities, property, or a solid job. Show the officer that your life is family rooted outside the New Zealand. Apply online through the official immigration NZ portal. Upload everything clearly. The cost is around 441 NZD and most are processed in about 2 weeks. One pro tip, do not book non-refundable flight until that visa is in your hand. A reservation is enough for the application, or you can easily do dummy reservation, dummy ticket. If you want me to put together a list of genuine New Zealand conference for 2026, just comment New Zealand below for more verified guides on study, work, and travel. Make sure you are following TripDoc. I will see you in the next one.